Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are talking about one of the most common items found in every kitchen, baking soda. I normally associate it with cooking, but believe it or not, there are plenty of other things you can do with baking soda. Let's find out what more things you can do with baking soda. Deodorant. No need to head to the drugstore to buy the same overpriced speed stick. Unlike store-bought brands, baking soda serves as a natural way to get rid of that funky odor under your arms. You'll be happy to know that this trick doesn't involve some crazy prep. That would take hours to make. It's actually quite simple. Just grab some baking soda and mix few drops of lemon. Make sure it doesn't fully dissolve. Apply it to your underarms and wash it off after 10-15 minutes. Repeat weekly. Baking soda is also powerful when mixed with cornstarch. Just make a paste using 1 part baking soda mixed with 1 part starch, and it will work the exact same magic against body odor. You can for rough skin. Baking soda feet scrub. Just soak your feet in a tub of warm water. Keep it soaked for about 15-20 minutes. Now, take some baking soda and mix it with water and make a paste. Use that paste to scrub off that dead skin off your feet. Itchy and swollen feet. Baking soda contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agents that can help soothe itchy and swollen feet. Get rid of the funky fridge smell. Your refrigerator is filled with a lot of different foods. If you're looking to win the Best Smell Award, dairy, meat, vegetables, and juice are not the greatest items to be left alone in that cold closet. To keep your fridge smelling clean and fresh, place some baking soda on a plate. Put the plate in the fridge and leave it for a couple of hours. This will absorb the bad smell. You can even put some baking soda in a spill-proof mesh bag and leave it in your fridge or cooler permanently to keep the smell at bay. Once the thing starts building the smell again, replace the baking soda bag with a new batch. Bad breath. We've all woken up in the morning with bad breath. But bad breath can be fixed with the magic of baking soda. Bad breath, or halitosis, is usually caused by the buildup of acid-forming foods in your teeth. This can be both junk food and health food. To get rid of this gross breath, just mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a cup of warm water. This will create a mouth rinse you can use. Studies have shown that baking soda is an effective combatant against bad breath. For insect bites. With summer coming up, this tip may come in handy. Baking soda can provide you relief from mosquito bites. Just mix a 1 tablespoon of baking soda with water and make a paste. Apply the paste on your bite and let it sit for about 10 minutes before washing it off. Keep in mind, this works for mosquito bites and most bug bites only. If you've been bitten by an animal or poisonous snake, you're probably going to want to see a doctor. Heartburn. More than 60 million Americans suffer from heartburn. Out of that number, 15 million report feeling symptoms of heartburn every single day. Health professionals would recommend a change of diet to stop heartburn from happening on a routine basis. But you still need a remedy for when heartburn is happening in the moment. If you don't have medicine on hand, mix a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. While further research needs to be conducted to support its effectiveness, baking soda is said to neutralize your stomach acids once consumed. Sodium bicarbonate is a natural antacid with the ability to treat acid reflux. Body scrub. You likely have a ton of body products sitting on a rack in your shower right now. Well, one more doesn't hurt because it's homemade and completely natural. Mix 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. This will create a thick paste. Once you're ready to scrub, gently massage the paste on the parts of your body you're looking to clean. Then wash it off. You will instantly notice that your skin feels fresh and smooth. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda carries natural whitening properties. Mix a few teaspoons of baking soda in some lemon juice. Put it on your toothbrush and brush your teeth like you normally do. Just remember, This is not an overnight remedy. Repeat it 1 to 2 times a week, but don't overdo it. Clean away stains. There's nothing more annoying than finding a stain on your favorite white shirt. Well, baking soda can once again be of assistance. Mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with a 1/4 cup of water. This paste will work against all sorts of stains. I'm talking about food stains, vomit stains, sweat stains, wine stains, even blood stains. Either way, baking soda paste, when applied to your clothing, can make them look brand new. Hand scrub. Take some coconut oil on hand, add some baking soda to it, and apply on your hands and elbows and gently scrub it for up to 5 minutes. Wash it off with warm water, and there you have soft arms.